Hello, my name is Caesar, and today we'll be reflecting upon the 5 to 10 week of second semester. So to start us off, I will explain what I did through the last part of February, which I did not cover in the 5 week video. So basically, what I've been doing was I've been continuing work on AP Computer Science. However, um, recently I have decided that it would be best to kind of not focus too much on AP Computer Science and just simply work on the APs that I'm already taking. Um, One of the main reasons I took that decision was because um, excuse me, uh, there's a lot going on. My junior year, there's ACT, junior portfolio, 3Ps, a college class now, and I think that's too much. And if I spread myself a little more with AP Computer Science, I won't be as successful in the classes that I really want to be, like AP Biology or AP English. So I guess not taking it is the best decision at this point. Another thing I've been working on is improving my SketchUp skills. I have just practiced creating different objects just for fun for myself. I haven't really posted them because it just means for me, like Pokeball and stuff like that. Um, Furthermore, I also have learned about different software that Mr. Cuevas or nobody has really covered, like Flaboro, which is an add-on to the Google Form software, which allows teachers to grade. Basically, the way it does that is that a student, so a teacher creates a Google Form, and then they basically create an answer key by responding to the Google Form with all the correct answers. Then what they do is that they go to flipworld.com, I think, and then they download the add-on to their own Google Drive, and then the add-on will be present in their Google Drive. So then from that moment on, they could actually use Flipboard. And the way they use Flipboard is that they first choose the Google form they want to work with. They choose the answer key again. Like I mentioned before, the answer key is one of the responses they submitted it in themselves, and then they just grade all the other things in the Google form based upon the answer key, and it gives you the percentage, the amount of points correct, yeah, every information you need to know, and basically all the teacher would have to do after a student submits their response is just great. The percentages, or there's also points, so they could do it off of point system. It just depends on how the teacher decides to do things. Furthermore, I have been able to apply my computer science skills outside of class. So in AP Biology, I created a website and a presentation on how to use Screenomatic. Screencast-O-Matic is a software that allows you to cast or screencast and basically record yourself while recording your computer, and allows you basically to make a video presentation of you recording yourself and your computer. In addition to that, um, there is also uh, like help that I've been doing in general with teachers. So during the CASP exam, which is a very important exam in California, because it helps California or the state of California measure the school's aptitude for teaching, and it basically gives it a score. So it's basically the school's grading system. So depending on how students do on that exam, that's the score they get, and that really does determine how competitive the students from the school is. Because whatever the score is, and whatever the score is another school, let's say you get a straight A student from both schools, they're gonna weigh heavier the student with a straight A's from a higher API school, because they're like, okay, the kids here are all being challenged, but in this school it's really easy to get straight A's. So they're really measuring that, and it really does help determine if more kids go to college. And what the CASP exam was it was just simply a CASP exam, and I helped certain teachers fix the software that was necessary, the CA secure browser, and I just helped her learn the teachers how to use teach. I taught different teachers how to use it, and I was there in their classes during my third period, te- monitoring, helping the students submit their information, and helping the teacher allow them to take the test. Um, ultimately, I did learn a lot over this month. A lot of technology based. I was also able to create a wiki, not wiki, a Google site on allergies, and basically it's like this whole website about allergies, and through that website you can learn about the immune system, and it has my handout, a presentation I created, like a bunch of information. It's really productive, and I felt really proud after creating it because I feel it's really organized and really well put together. And yeah, um, that's all I've been doing throughout the month. Just constant work, working hard, just letting everything take its course. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will be back during the 15th week, reflecting upon the 10th and 15th week. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.